Welcome, hope you're well out there. Today's little trivia quiz is all about the science of glass. There are only 5 questions, they're not that hard. Hope you enjoy. Are you ready? Here we go. So, how did you go with those? Just a couple of things to go over, related to the questions, of course. And amorphous solids. Amorphous solids are basically where the atoms, molecules and that are not aligned. In a crystal they are all aligned, but in glass they're all very random in how they're positioned. I'm sure everybody knows that silica sand is a major ingredient in glass and glass making. Yes, lime does make glass harder and more resistant to things like water. What else is there? And the last one was the Mohs hardness. Now, Mohs hardness is basically just what it says. It's a hardness scale. I do gemstone faceting, so it's very relevant in that, so you need to know what hardness the gemstones are. Glass is around the 5.5, which interestingly is the same as opal, or very similar to opal, because they are both silica. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.